Today I show you how to power off an Android phone. This is an older Android phone and this is a newer Android phone, but the way they power off is very similar, almost the same. Almost the same. On the left side, usually you will have the power button and two volume buttons. Usually on the left side of the phone, you will have these three buttons. One is a power button, then volume down and volume up. Volume up will increase the volume, volume down will decrease the volume, and the power button will close the phone, but now it's not really powered off, it's still powered on. So the phone is still powered on, it's still turned on, and if you want to power it off to save battery, if you don't use the phone especially, then this is how you do it. So it's very simple, but this is for some this might be a very simple thing to do, but it's important to know how to do it for everyone. So you have the power button, and when you long press, you press down and you keep pressing it until it shows you something on the screen. And what I mean by showing something on the screen, I mean this. So you press, keep pressing, and then it shows you the options. So here I have the option to power off, emergency, which is not something you want to use unless it's an emergency, restart, lockdown, more settings. In this menu here I will look for power off or shut down. So power off, now the phone is shutting down. This is working the same with the older phone. It might look a little bit different, so press, keep pressing, then you see these options. And if you want to get out of it, you press anywhere where there is no button and it's okay, it's going back. So you press and you keep pressing. And then you have this menu here, and you have the option for airplane if you're in the airplane and you prefer not to shut it down, or restart, or power off. Even in the airplane, if you don't use the phone, it's better to power it off to save battery. And one last tap on this one. Now both phones are turned off. That's it. Thanks for watching.